Water, fire, air, and space are the Mahapanjabhutas of the universe. These are the life-making ingredients, and living beings are the manifestation of the five elements. Choose only one master, nature. The purpose of life is to live in agreement with Mother Nature. The universe satisfies every man's need. What she expects in return is kindness from every consumer. Avanti Group is proud of its benevolence towards nature through its systematic approach. Having known well about what a factory or industry can benefit from nature, Avanti remains a responsible borrower and pays its returns well. Avanti explicits responsibility and generosity towards nature in everything we do.